Make a great choice today with the 2021 Niro. The Kia Niro provides functionality and fuel economy you would expect from a hybrid crossover. The roomy cabin and elevated seating let you know you're in a crossover vehicle. However, the fantastic miles per gallon rating reminds you that you're still in a hybrid. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, daytime running lights, fog lamps, privacy glass, front-wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.